Doesn't
Do
matter.
you have any big ones?
No, I only got 6 big ones. It's on my foot.
I got 2 big ones.
You have pizza.
The Peep attacked you.
You got
It's on my foot.
And Peep's attack.
That took a little while.
Are we all done?
Yeah. Now time to open them.
Wait. Okay, anything in there?
Jelly beans, gross.
Opie, I'll give you your Easter present.
Did you?
No, she didn't.
Oh, yes.
But I tried to get it.
That one. Get that one.
I tried to get it. I thought it was a candle.
Yeah, I thought it was a candle too. So I asked her if she put candles in there.